Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I leveled up this basic aluminum tray that I picked up at my local Dollarama. So I found this tray in the barbecue section at the dollar store and it was a great size for only $4. What I really loved about it was these wooden handles. So first thing I did is brought it outside, made sure it was clean, and then I sprayed it down with this Rustoleum flat black spray paint. I gave it one good coating and then left it outside to dry. Remember to wrap your handles in the painter's tape prior to spraying. So here I'm just removing the tape to expose the wooden handles, and I'm already loving the way the black is looking. I didn't spray the top because I'm going to be covering that section with something else, so you won't be seeing that. So I had picked up these cork sheets from the local Dollar Tree and they were each $1.25. These ones come with an adhesive in the back, so they are sticky. And what I decided to do was just cut them into strips. I'd say these were about, I think an inch and a half, whatever the width of the ruler is actually. And I just cut, I think it was about 4 sheets that I cut. So once those were cut, what I did is I just weaved them in and out and try to do like a basket weave type pattern. So one of the good things about using these adhesive cork sheets is that you can peel off the backing and join it to the existing piece. This helped to give me the length and the size that I needed. So what I'm doing here is just tracing out the circumference of the tray to give me a template so I know exactly what size I actually need to make this basket weave. I could have probably done this in the beginning, but it was fine to do it at this point as well. So now I can see what size it actually needs to be, and I'll just continue weaving in this pattern until I cover the whole circle. Also, as I'm weaving, I'm making sure to cover the joints where I stuck the one piece onto the existing piece, so that won't be visible once it's on the tray. Another positive about this adhesive cork is that I was able to stick the perimeter of the weaving together so it stayed in place. I'm not sure if that's making sense, but it helped secure it so that everything wasn't moving around. Okay, now I'm placing the template that I created on the back side of the cork, and I'm just going to use it as a guide to cut my cork. So I went in and I removed as much of the backing as I could from the adhesive side. Basically, it was just around the perimeter that I was able to remove without compromising the shape. And then I got my glue gun and I put a lot of glue on that side. Originally, I wanted to use E6000 and hot glue, but because I did the hot glue first, that didn't end up working out for me. But I would recommend using E6000 and hot glue. So then I just pressed it down around the perimeter and the center and tried to make sure it was really well stuck and adhered firmly. And voila, there you have it, a modern farmhouse tray that does not look like you got it from the dollar store. I am actually in love with this piece. I'm really happy with the way it turned out. If you guys try this, let me know in the comments. Also, like and follow for more. Thanks for watching.